Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we are going to do a little bit of gutter work. We're going to seal some gutters. What they did was they put a nail plate up. It's on a Lanai and it's a structural seam, so we had to stop here and get a few parts at Lowe's. We'll show you what we're talking about, but if you're going to seal a gutter, probably the best sealer is called OSI, and we'll show you that here in just a few minutes. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. So we're here in Orlando. What we're going to do is do some gutter work, and normally, like I said, we don't normally do that type of work, but we're also going to do the undergrounds here. But let me show you what's going on. You can see they've got, the pool and the lanai. So you can see that nail plate. See all those nails sticking through? And of course, that's not water's going to go back through there and create drips, and also, underneath the deck, it's going to rot it out. So we've got to seal all that up. So I know the blower's loud, but the blower works really good. A hairdryer actually works even better to get all that super dry. It also heats up the aluminum, which allows it to flow even better. But blow it off, and then we're just going to keep drying it off. So if you remember, we used the mini jet to clean this channel drain, and it's still working great. A lot of debris has dropped down here. And we are going to put the underground from here and all of the downspouts around the side of the house. That line will discharge out and over to the lake. That's coming up a future project. But really cool what they did, and it looks good. But you notice, you see the facade? They covered all of that, so you can't get to the gutter from the bottom, which is okay. But if it leaks, of course, there's going to be some wood rot here. This is plank board, but it's still going to rot, doesn't matter. And looks like they used galvanized screws, nails, not too good, but we should be able to seal that gutter without any real problems. And then of course they have a downspout coming down here on this side. And if you remember, can't really, well, I guess you can see it. See the trench that goes out? I dug a trench just for water to go away, but it's already filled back up. And that was only, 6 weeks ago. So, got to maintain the system or you will have problems. But looking good. So this is a kind of tough seal because, remember, they've got a brand new deck. They've got a new drip edge right here. And then they've got the membrane as they used as a drip edge as well. And if you look, you see Chuck putting the OSI on there. You've got to get it up under there. The secret to this is, if you're going to put it over a screw, you just cover the screw. So if this is the nail or screw, you just go straight down on top of it and come off, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and do this. We did find a spot. Let me show you again. Right over here. Let's see if we can get this on film for you. So they've got a sealer on here. And if you look carefully, and you see the moisture underneath of the sealer, see how there's moisture under here. So water's getting, through that section and underneath, and of course it's just, dripping down. And right here is actually the seam. You see it right here? Find my thumb right here. That's actually the seam, and it goes down, and they overlapped them. Overlap that gutter, so now the seam's over here. But we'll cut that off and we'll go ahead and seal it up, and they'll be in good shape. So what we're doing is we're putting the towel in there, just a rag, to start really drying this section out. Keep going on down farther, and then we'll put the blower on it again and really dry it out. And I already took the X-Acto, the utility knife, and I'm scraping this off, but I'm letting him dry. You can see the scratch marks right there. We need to get this all cleaned off so that this OSI can actually seam it. What it does, it's like a flux. If you solder something, it will flow as it starts to get hot. It just flows, and it seals it up perfectly. Should last for 25, 30 years or more. Being up here on the 2-story without the railing makes it a lot easier to work. And they got a great view. You can see they got the lake, and neighbor's property is pristine. It looks really good. So they have a nice new home. They're still working on it, but we should have that gutter nice and clean and sealed. It shouldn't have any more drips. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.